Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best dry cleaning bags is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked items for maintaining the pristine condition of your garments, especially when traveling or storing them long-term. These specialized bags offer a protective barrier against dust, moisture, and potential snags, ensuring your clothes emerge from storage or transit looking as fresh as when you put them away. Imagine pulling out your favorite suit or delicate dress, only to find it perfectly preserved, free from the woes of closet clutter or the rigors of travel. That's the promise these simple yet effective solutions hold. Number 5. HOMEST XL Wash Me Travel Laundry Bag. Tired of laundry bags that tear easily? Ours features extra tough double-stitched seams and thick nylon material to prevent tears from spreading. Plus, plastic tips on the drawstring keep it from unraveling. Each bag measures 28 by 40 inches, holding 3 to 4 loads of laundry. This makes it perfect for college dorms or family trips, easily accommodating all your dirty clothes. Use it as a liner to keep your laundry hamper or basket cleaner and fresher. No more unpleasant sights or smells from your dirty laundry. The locking drawstring closure prevents items from spilling out. Simply tie a knot after closing for extra security when carrying your laundry. It's a great choice for summer camp, holding a week's worth of clothes. It also conveniently folds flat for future use and can store bedding, toys, or blankets. Whether you're heading to camp or just need a better way to manage laundry at home, this bag is the ideal solution. Its large size and durable design make laundry day easier. What we like? This bag is built to last with its ripstop construction and extra tough seams. Its ultra-large capacity can hold up to 4 loads of laundry, making it perfect for families or extended trips. If you're looking for a durable and spacious solution to keep your laundry contained and your hamper fresh, this is the one for you. What people say? They are large and can fit a ton of clothes in them. The quality of the material is very durable. They withstand machine washing in cold water without any shrinkage. The drawstring has a stopper so that when it is drawn closed it remains closed. These laundry bags are incredible. I was able to fit all 50+ lbs in just these 2 bags. They are a nice thick material with even stitching and quality drawstrings. Number 4. Handy Laundry XL Laundry Bag. Introducing the Handy Laundry XL. Crafted from heavy-duty nylon, this bag is designed for exceptional durability, ensuring it won't tear or wear out easily. With its generous size, this large laundry bag offers ample space to hold a substantial amount of clothes. It's perfect for handling all your laundry needs, big or small. Keep your laundry securely contained with the strong drawstring closure. This feature ensures that your belongings stay safely inside, no matter where you take it. This versatile bag isn't just for dirty clothes. Its utility extends to storage and travel, making it a handy companion for various purposes. Maintaining this laundry bag is a breeze. Simply toss it in the washing machine for easy and hassle-free cleaning. What we like? Constructed from heavy-duty nylon, this bag promises exceptional durability for long-lasting use. Its generous size accommodates a substantial amount of laundry, making it versatile for various needs. If you need a reliable, easy-to-maintain laundry bag that can handle frequent use and washing, this is an excellent choice. What people say? The material is durable and can be washed. It's not waterproof, so it will wash and dry easily. The heavy-duty nylon construction is seriously impressive. It feels incredibly durable and I have no doubt it will last a long time. The size is perfect. It holds a ton of laundry, which is great for me. The drawstring closure is strong and keeps everything securely inside, even when the bag is full. I also appreciate how versatile it is. I've used it for laundry, of course, but also for storing off-season clothes and even packing for trips. And the best part? It's machine washable. This laundry bag is large enough to hold a full load and feels durable enough for regular use. The nylon material is sturdy and easy to clean. Number 3. OTraki Extra Large Laundry Bag 2-Pack. This laundry bag is extra large, measuring 28 by 45 inches. It's big enough to hold 3 to 4 loads of laundry, perfect for families or college students. It features a heavy-duty drawstring with a spring lock to keep your belongings secure. This prevents items from spilling out, especially when transporting laundry. Beyond laundry, it's great for organizing quilts, blankets, or even toys. Use it for trips, camping, or keeping your home tidy. This bag is designed to be portable and foldable. When not in use, it easily tucks away to save space, making it ideal for limited areas like dorms or hotels. Keeping it clean is simple as it's both hand washable and machine washable. It's a practical choice for everyday use. Please note, this is primarily a storage bag and not recommended for washing clothes directly. Also, be mindful of sharp objects that could damage the thin polyester surface. What we like. This bag boasts an extra large size, capable of holding 3 to 4 loads of laundry, ideal for dorms or family use. The heavy-duty drawstring closure with a spring lock ensures items stay secure during transport. If you need a highly portable and foldable solution for organizing dirty clothes during trips or in limited spaces, this bag is perfect. What people say. They're sturdy, roomy, and good quality. They keep items dry and are easy to move around with. Very sturdy and holds 2 loads of laundry. The drawstring stays closed so nothing falls out, which is a big plus. Having 2 bags in the pack makes laundry easier and helps keep things organized. Number 2. MsKitchen Garment Bags 12-pack. Quickly identify your clothes without opening the bag. These garment bags protect your suits and dresses from dust and moisture, keeping them fresh in your closet. The smooth, full-length zipper allows for easy storage and access to your garments. Keep your clothes clean and organized at home or during storage. Made from quality, odorless, and washable PEVA material. The translucent design lets you see your clothes instantly, keeping them fresh and dust-free. These bags offer full protection for delicate fabrics against dust, dampness, and pet hair. They keep your clothes wrinkle-free and clean, ideal for storage or travel. We've reinforced the top hanger opening to prevent ripping. The small opening fits standard hangers perfectly while effectively sealing out dust. What we like. These garment bags offer clear visibility, allowing you to easily identify clothes without opening them. The full-length zipper provides dust-proof protection, keeping suits and dresses clean and organized. If you're looking for a simple, effective way to protect your garments from dust and moisture in your closet or for light travel, these are a great option. What people say. They're made of durable material, and they'll protect hanging garments from accumulating dirt and dust. They're also clear due that covered garments are visible. These bags keep these clothing items dust-free. The material of these bags is light, IMO, but this doesn't take away from keeping items protected. The set of dust-proof garment bags measure 24 inches by 40 inches and come in a set of 12. They are the size a coat, shirt, or suit coat would fit into. I like the plastic material is durable and semi-transparent so you can see the garment within. Number 1. MISSLO 10 Gusseted All-Clear Garment Bags. Our garment bags come in packs of 3, each with 10 gussets. They are designed to hold multiple suits or heavy coats without causing wrinkles, perfect for storing shirts, jackets, and dresses. Made from fully transparent, waterproof material, you can easily see the contents of each bag. This protects your clothes from dust and spills, eliminating the need to guess what's inside. A heavy-duty side zipper allows for smooth opening and closing. You can access your clothes without removing everything, ideal for those who need to quickly grab an outfit. Small holes at the top accommodate hangers while preventing dust entry. The breathable fabric also prevents odors, ensuring your clothes remain fresh and ready to wear. These large garment bags help keep your closet clean and organized. They offer a streamlined storage solution for suits, coats, and seasonal clothing, transforming cluttered spaces. What we like. With 10-inch gussets, these garment bags offer ample space for multiple suits or coats without wrinkles. The all-clear design lets you easily see contents, while the side zipper allows quick access. If you need a stylish and practical solution to keep your wardrobe organized, protect delicate items, and easily grab what you need, these are ideal. What people say. The garment bags can hold several garments. The bags are sturdy and durable. The bags work well in my open closet concept, keeping my garments safe from dust and odors. I like that I can see my inventory at a glance. The quality is great, as I have been using them for many months and they still look brand new. The bags themselves are lightweight and has great value for the price. The zipper is strong and easy. These are well made, has a fairly large capacity, and the zipper placement is so much better than others I've had. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.